Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead, and I got another update about selling our house and the manufactured home that we're looking at buying and having put on a new piece of property. Well, the original contract fell through after the home inspection. We didn't really get a word of why it fell through, but the realtor used the word overwhelmed, and we knew they were coming from a big city with basically no yard to 7 acres. So I think they just used that opportunity to back out, because it is a big deal going to 7 acres from nothing. I mean, they didn't have a lawnmower or anything, so now you got 7 acres to manage. So I could see being overwhelmed, but we put it back on the market. I think it took, we had the day they backed out, we had a showing that night, and almost one every day after that. I think it was on the market for about another week, and we got another offer, and we accepted the offer. So now we're under contract again. So it still didn't take long, and the price isn't quite as good as it was with the first offer, but it's still a good price. We're still making decent on it, so as long as everything works out. Waiting on the new home inspection for that. So that's where our house currently stands, is we're just waiting. We have a new contract, and we're waiting on the home inspection to happen with the land and manufactured home. The manufactured home, everything's fine with it. We started the loan process. Of course, we can't finish that loan process until we sell our house. So there's that. But everything else looks fine. It's still on track, I believe, for sometime in October of getting to the lot. And then, I'm assuming, they haven't really told because there's a lot of variables, we'll be able to have it up by sometime in November. And our house will definitely be closed on by then, as long as everything goes good on here. Still got to get my perk test done, so I need to get on that. We are getting a culvert put in. We talked to the Department of Transportation. They're putting in like a 22-foot culvert, and that's going to be packed with gravel and everything for $400. That's not a bad deal. Got a hold of the water guy. He sent the forms over, so just got to get those forms filled out and sent back to him. On the electric, I got a hold of the electric company, and they said I needed to put a pole up and have you got to have your meter box put in, everything by a licensed electrician, which we were going to do that, but then I started thinking, because I wanted power out to the property, and I started thinking that because we'd prefer to have the box actually mounted on the side of the house instead of like on a pole, and then you got to run it underground to the house. It just makes it a lot easier if it's mounted to the side of the house. So what I think I've decided to do this time, because I got 2 big generators, once the building gets up, we'll just run the building off the generators, or they're 6,500 peak watt generators. I got 2 of those, and I got a 4,000 watt generator. So anything we're going to be doing out there, I got more than enough power. That's a crap load of power that we can run off generators until the house gets in, and I can even probably run the house off the generators if I wanted to. But once the house is there, I'll already have an electrician scheduled to come and put, to mount the box and everything, so they can put the meter up and run their power. Because we got a pole at, we actually have power lines that run, they're going to be about 60 feet from the house, so not far. But yeah, so we finalized the place for the house, where we're actually going to put it, where the building's going to go. I got a guy coming out soon. He's going to level it all off for us and possibly cut the driveway to where we want it. And so we're moving along. It's really, I got a lot of updates right now. It's just mainly filling out paperwork and getting these things actually finally scheduled, because there's a lot of different things. We're looking at, like I said before, we got water, electric, sewage, which is our septic. It's our perk test and all that. And then finish our loan here, getting all the stuff moved, which that's one kind of benefit with this, is it looks like hopefully we'll have the building done before we close, so therefore we can move our stuff straight into the building we have out there. But if not, we still have the option of putting everything in the barn out of the in-laws. And it does look like we'll be staying at the in-laws. I don't know, maybe a month, 2 months max. So it's not the worst. I mean, you can stand on your head for 2 months, right? So, all right, that's all the update I got right now, really. Just like I said, taking it one day at a time, and need to get me a folder or a binder so I can start getting all this stuff organized instead of trying to keep it all in my head, because that's not going to work. So, have a good one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, here soon we'll be getting on to more fun stuff, I guess. You know, other than permits and just me talking about calling people. We'll get on to actually digging trenches, digging a septic soon. Have some good footage, like I said, of the building when it goes up, hopefully. And actually, I need to get y'all some footage of the land outlays. I had a guy come out the other day. He helped me kind of look it over and go over what my final goals are going to be for the property. Make sure I didn't put nothing in the wrong spot. So that looks good. But have a good one.